Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to appear offline in Discord. So firstly log in your Discord, then in this left side panel in bottom corner click on your profile icon and move cursor to online and here select invisible. You will not appear online but will have full access to all of Discord. Your friends and servers will find your profile as offline. Just select it. Now you can use Discord with full features. And again, you want to make your profile online for friends. So same, click here, move cursor to invisible, and now select online. And here are some more options you can select: do not disturb or ideal. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not.